turned on.
It's on. Hi. Hi, this is Stephanie coming to you live from the WHBR studio. Today is Friday, May 15th, 2015. In the village of Schaumburg, it is currently 62 degrees. We are expected to have a high of 77 and a low of 61, with mostly cloudy skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Logan,
Chelsea.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Cavaliers beat the Bulls 94-73 and eliminated the Bulls from the NBA playoffs. The Cubs swept the Mets by beating them 6-5. The Blackhawks are playing the Ducks on Sunday to begin the next round of the Stanley Cup playoffs. Club information today, the 3rd grade photo club will meet in room 104 at 3 o'clock. There is no PE enrichment today. Attention all STEM fair participants. There is a mandatory meeting in room 110 today during lunch. Please bring your lunches. All Club Unified members should meet in the front hallway after announcements today. Today is Hot Dog Treat Day. Now a message from Mr. Schmelzer.
Thank you, Stephanie. Good morning, Hoover staff and students. It's Friday, finally, right? All right, it's going to be a beautiful day today, 70s. The rain's going to hold off for us. Unfortunately, it looks like it's going to be a rainy weekend, but that's okay. All right, we have got some Herbie high fives to pull. These eggs are really full, and I know that the classrooms are still earning their yellow tickets, so I anticipate that these are going to get even more full. All right, I think this is the second floor, the intermediate egg. So let's pull some out of here. We have got Jordan in room 213. We've got Aditya, I'm sorry. Aditya in 211. We've got Casper in 206, and apparently Casper likes potatoes. We've got Lucas in 206, and Lucas is to my left here, running the board. All right, we got Daniel in 203. Who else? We've got Krishna in 204. Krishna actually had 2 of them in there. Probably more than that, but I pulled 2. Good job, Krishna. Let's see. We've got Cecilia in 213. We'll pull 1 more out of this egg. We're going to reach deep down. We have got, looks like Sarah in 213 as well. Mr. Harrison's class loaded the egg up this week. All right. Next, I'm going to pull no egg, plain brown envelope, 5 Hoover staff members. So they will get a special prize as well. The first one is Mrs. Ramsey. All right. Yeah, I don't need one. We've got Mrs. Moore. Mrs. Johnson. Mrs. Kippenham, that's 4, right? All right, 1 more. Who's it gonna be? Mrs. Notley. Congratulations to those 5. They got their Herbie high fives pulled. And now, let me make sure I get the right egg. We have got the first floor egg, the primary egg. And they're almost coming out of the top, it's so full. Oh, I think I need some hand sanitizer. All these little Herbie high fives in there. We've got, looks like Shreya in 112. They're falling out of the bottom here. We've got Aiden in 120. Savannah in 119. This one looks like it's been in someone's desk for a while. Carissa in 113. Sue in 120. Muhammad in 113. Do a few more. Nimra in 113. A Grim in 105. Congratulations to everybody got their name called. Everybody have a great day or not. The choice is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Schmelzer. Here's today's interesting fact. Did you know that there is no wind on the moon? During the first moon landing in 1969, astronauts left footprints in the dirt. They are still there today because there is no wind to blow them away. This week's live broadcast was brought to you by your 6th grade studio crew, the Production Panthers. Have a fantasy-filled Friday.